This next one, did you hear about this? This was probably the number one story on my social media this morning. Apparently, and I don't know if this to be believed, a lot of people think maybe this isn't for real. VW accidentally leaks its new name for its U.S. operations. VW, that would be Volkswagen, apparently becoming Voltswagen, like a volt. Like VOLTS, volts.
Yeah, electricity.
Is that what that is?
Mm-hmm.
I learned about that when I was getting the panel upgrade over there. Don't get me started on volts.
Right,
Don't get me started on watts. Don't get me started on volts.
Yeah. It's a whole thing.
So some people thought that this could have some kind of April Fool's aspect to it. Like, oh, they're joking around. They can't be calling themselves Volkswagen. But apparently it's for real. They are expected to change the name of its operations in the U.S. to Volkswagen of America, emphasizing their electric vehicle efforts. What a statement that would be. Holy cow. You want some of that Tesla money? Oh, you just change your name to Volts.
Mm-hmm.
What a move. I mean, you're talking about some serious branding that they're giving up there. Like, people know the brand as it was. This was no easy decision if this thing is for real, which, I don't know, who knows. A now unpublished press release, so it was leaked. They weren't ready, apparently, to make the announcement, but somebody leaked it. Called for a change, a public declaration of the company's future forward investment in e-mobility. The release said Volkswagen will be placed as an exterior badge on all EV models, with gas vehicles having the company's iconic VW emblem only.
At least they don't really have to change the logo.
No, you're right.
You know?
You're right. You're right.
There's that.
VW.
Yeah.
No, I'm sure they thought about all this stuff, man. It's no easy thing. You get in a meeting like that. They stare at you from across the table. They say, Willie Doo, here's the proposal. Look at me. 2 words. 1 word, but with 2 combined. Voltswagen. And then they say, the entire future of the company rests on this. You make the call.
I just tweet it. And then
you just leak it and see what the sentiment is, and then you just back off if it's terrible.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes.
We'll run a little test.
You know?
Nothing wrong with that. Maybe that's what this is about. Maybe there's your conspiracy right there. Let it leak out and then say, nah, y'all are crazy. That press release, someone made that up. What, you crazy? We get rid of this name. Been a lot of years with this name.
April Fools.
Maybe they wanted a new name. Preserve. Let's see what it says, okay? Well, the public declaration, obviously, but they also want to preserve elements of the heritage. So they come up with the hybrid. Huh. And a little bit more on volts. Volts are the derived units for electric potential, also known as electromotive force, between 2 points. There you go, Will. There you go, Will.
Oh.
Volt talk. Electric. Unbelievable.
What'd I do?
It also announced big goals, increasing sales of EVs through the end of the decade, expecting more than 70% of Volkswagen brand's European sales will be EVs by 2030. 70%. In the US and China, it expects half of its sales to be EVs by that time. So big investment in electric, and so big they put it in the name. If it's true.